Okay, so I'm going to try to use this to clean off my car. Get rid of the snow. Yep. It looks like about 6 inches on top of the car. Yeah. But I gotta get rid of it. Okay. You can see some daylight. Ah. Okay. It's coming off. It's coming off. Ah. Might have to do this about probably 10 or 20 times. Somewhere between 10 and 20 times for the winter here. So something I'm used to. I've been doing this for quite some time. Okay. Get the windscreen area taken care of. Oh. And this is certainly not for the faint of heart, by the way. Oh. Sometimes it's hard at the top of the car. Good thing I'm tall, so I have a good reach. This is no easy living. It's hard work right here. Hard work. I have my ginger tea brewing inside. I'm gonna have that when I get back in. And I made some sausage, but it's a little salty. It came that way. Oh my goodness. Gotta go back and forth to get some of these things out of the groove. Okay, let me see if I can go around here and do this portion. Oh. Take a look at this. You could hide under this thing here. Yep. See if I can get a big push. Ooh. Yep. Oh man. Oh. Whew. Okay. Oh my goodness. My hand hurts. Oh. What I realize is that my fingers went completely into this gloves. So let me get that situated. Okay. So that's how we do it here in Brooklyn, New York, and wherever it snows. So if you live in a warm climate, I envy you. Ooh, I envy you, especially at this time. All right, let's get this thing off my car so you can see some daylight. All right, your signs of life. Yep. So it could take me 5 minutes to do this. Ah. God, I'm tall, standing 5'8", so it's a little bit easier for me. My husband has to go on a ladder to do this. A step ladder, step stool, step something. Ah, doesn't it look like the cloud, guys? Ah. Okay. Alrighty. Perfect. So my car looks like a car now. Looks like a car. Yep. This is what complete looks like. Still have a little bit of dust, but that's okay. That's okay. Okay. Body of the car is good. Now I have to... Oh, it's a little bird flying around. All right. So the car is fairly clean. That's it. That's all she wrote. I have to do the rest. So let me... hold on there.